So now, guys, this will be our movement for the day on Bitcoin. We will be expecting one more push up on our Bitcoin. So we should just see that Bitcoin to just push up till it comes to level 73,000. So this should be our target for the day on our Bitcoin. We should be targeting a level of 73,000. Now, currently, have it in mind that currently Bitcoin is trading at level of 71,200 and something, right? But we should expect some sort of a bullish move on our Bitcoin till it is able to hit a level of 73,000. Now, what are we going to be expecting such a movement is what we are going to look at right now. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that once we drop more updates, you will not miss out on the updates. And also follow the Telegram. You'll find a link in the section. Now, let's zoom it out on our daily time frame and see the trend. You can place that on our trend, right? We were in a downtrend move. Market was trending to the downside. There was a series of lower low and a lower high. Market was literally playing, right? Market was literally playing in a series of lower low and lower high. Then eventually market was able to push up, and guess what market did right here? It eventually give a multiple rejection at this top right here, right? Now market eventually, did multiple rejection at this top. Guess what market did? Market eventually push up, right? And pull back from this zone, then eventually broke above it. Guess what market did? Which is a resistance breakout. Now market has eventually given us a pullback, and now we should be expecting another push up that should form a new high. That is why we said a bullish move is what to be expecting. Now, if you are to also zoom it out right here, you can see the trend on your Bitcoin. We are in an uptrend move. So it is very clear that market is trending to the upside. So this is one of these where I said from here we should expect market to give us that bullish move. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the update. And also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link in the comment section.